Hello, good morning, guys. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to use message box in UiPath. Okay, so let's start. If you not subscribe to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's motivate me. So let's start. So once you launch the UiPath Studio now, then you will see this type of a UI. So in the right hand side top corner, you have one option, process. Okay, so we need to click on this option process. So after that, one new pop-up window will open with the title new blank process. So here we will give our process name or project name, how to use message box. Okay, after that we will keep everything as it is and we will click on create button. So UiPath Studio will create a project for us. Okay, so before starting a use of this message box, we will understand why we use the message box. Okay, so first of all, the first common use is used to debugging our project. Okay, okay, we are extracting some value or taking some value from anywhere, then we need to check correct value is coming or not. Okay, so to check that, we use the message box. Okay, and to show the notification to the user that your project is executed successfully, or if any error exists, then to show the error to the user. Okay, and the one more important thing is that always we should use this message box in attended bot. Okay, not in unattended bot and in production. Okay, so let's start. So from where we can use the message activity. So you can see in the left hand side we have one panel, and in panel you can see upper side, there are four options: project, activity, object repository, and snippet. Okay, so second option we need to click activities, and here you can see search activity, and you can directly see here recently used option is there, message box. So we will use this. So before using this, what we will do, we will use input activity. So we will take the input from the user, and whichever input is user is giving, that we will print. Okay, so let's start. So we will search input dialog box. We will use this activity. Okay, so dialog box title we will give username. Username. Okay, it should be in a double quote. Okay, so I'm putting in this, and the label we will give, please enter your name. Okay, now input type will be text box only. Okay, and the in value entered we will store in a variable. So we have one shortcut key, control K. So once you click on control K, so we will give our variable name. We will create a variable name. So whichever input user will enter, that will store in this variable. So we will give simply username. So this is our variable name. Okay, so whichever value user will enter will store in this username variable, and we will print this username. So now we will use message activity, drag and drop, and from how to insert this username in this message box, you can see here plus icon. We have to click on plus icon, click on user variable, then we have this option variables, and inside that you can see this username. Okay, now we will save this, control S, and we will click on this play button, debug file. So UiPath Studio will debug our project. Okay, compile. and enter your name. Okay, it is here is a spelling mistake, no problem. So here I will enter Suresh and click on OK. See, the whichever value we have entered is printing here Suresh. Okay, let's try again one more time. We will see for number how it is interacting. So number is also it is considering as a string. Let's try one more time. We will enter true and false. True. Okay, so this is also it is considering as a string. Okay, so I hope you understand this activity, and if you have any doubt then please comment in below comment box. Thank you for watching, and if you not subscribed then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.